Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will be telling how you can practice your web development so that you can get the desired internship or placement. So before starting, make sure you have subscribed our channel. For that, click on the subscribe button and select all so that all the important notification will be reaching to you. And now let us move towards our update. So first website name is Qwiklabs, where you can practice your website development skills. So the practice make the man perfect. So many of time we watch the tutorials and do the like written content for website, but till at the end of the day you have to practice the web development skills so that you can get the desired internship. So here you can also, if you go to the resource, you can also see there are different projects where you can go and do that project, and you can also show that to that in your resume or in the social media handles. So if you scroll it down, so first is what is the website development, the 5 website development tips you should know. So all the important topics like hosting, homepage design, content, navigation, HTTP coding are covered. So all the important topics in the field of website development. So these are the types of the development. There first is front end, back end, full stack, website, desktop, mobile, game, embedded, security, e-commerce. So these are the type of the website development, and so you can see. So then drafting, development, HTML. So all the important terms regarding the website development you will be get from here. Now the second website is W3 School. So it is a great website to learn lot of new skills. Even aside from the website development, you can also see other coding language like C++, Java, Python, and other Reacts. So even you can get certificates and other that are might be free of course, or some of them are like paid. So it is a great website for the beginners and even advanced, like those who have done PhD, MTech in the field of computer science also prefer this website for their upskilling. So just for like if someone want to learn the React, it can go to React tutorials. See, there are important topic like React classes, properties, event, list, conditions, forms, routers, and other you can see. That the tutorials are not enough for you to get any internship. So you can do exercise. Just click on the React. So there are different exercise for you that you can like if you want like destructuring, then you can go and so it is taking time for loading instead of that. So there are important is to practice the web development so that you can get the real time like experience that will matter a lot. And those who find this video helpful, so just subscribe our channel. We daily provide you the upskilling videos. Now moving towards our third website, that is front end practice. So become a better front end. So whatever the website is, all depend on the front end. So those website which having the better front end are more eye catching or more eye catching or attract the consumer. So front end plays a key role in the website development. So even you can go to the project section and you can see there are a lot of project. If you go to the level 3 project and click any of them, then you can see like there are important projects. So these are the projects that you can even go and design with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then you can put this project in your resume and can get any internship or any placement. So the fourth website is Free Code Camp. From the name you can see the all the content is free of cost. So since 2014, more than 40,000 free code camp organization graduates have gotten the job at. So 40,000 is a great number. So it is free of cost, you can see. If you scroll it down, and so this is the important section. So why I am preferring this website, because it provides certificate that you can showcase in your resume or any like LinkedIn, where you can showcase and get your internship. So first of all, you have to get the skills. You have to do the tutorials. The second, the most important part is practice. So those who practice a lot can get their desired internship. So if someone want to know the backend development and API certificate, then you can click on it. Now you can see, so you have to sign in, then you can complete these modules, and after completing these modules, then you will be getting the certificate for your backend development and APIs. So you can see now the last but not the least, CodePen. So CodePen is a online platform where you can create different website template using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So it is a purely front-end oriented website. Even you can like if you go to the project, like let me see, there should be a project section where you can get different project. If you click on it, like you can, so you can see this project is done by HTML and CSS. So you can copy this code, copy the code and also put this in your resume. Then it will be surely upskilling your resume and making it eye-catchy. So these are the 5 websites that will help you to make your website development skill more accurate and compensating. So you can also comment us which website you like or which website you prefer the most for practicing the website development. So if you want us to make a detailed roadmap on the website development, then we will be making that roadmap. Just you have to type in the comment box that you require this specific video on this specific topic, then we will be making on it. Now moving back towards our YouTube channel. So if you go to the playlist section, you can see there are a lot of important playlists that you should save for your future. Uh, and we are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. Like this video and share this video to your friend circle whosoever is wanna to practice website development. So this is all about, if you have any doubt, let us know in the comment box. So this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a good day.